Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 18th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think this looks most likely that it is going to keep on trending up. I still think it most likely is going to go up and take out these previous highs. Most likely go all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels, and I think it is an expanding flat wave C on the monthly if you actually zoom out quite a ways. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as impulsive up one. I think it's 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down, higher high wave B, lower low wave C. Definitely fits the characteristics of an expanding flat wave two. If that is the case, that means that this move up is an uptrend, wave one, subdivision, wave two, subdivision. That means that this is most likely in a wave three, which I say subdivision because this should be the end of a wave two right here. So that means this should be a one of three, a two of three, and then up for a wave three of wave three. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I kind of have a hard time believing that it is going to turn up prior to all that news that we got, especially on a Monday. So we have to be a little bit careful. It may possibly drift down some more, but I still think this looks like a complete pattern down, like a complete wave two. I think this 5 wave uptrend is a wave one. I think that this correction right here, this move down, is nothing more than a correction to this last wave up. I think this is all just a subdivision of a much bigger wave three. Like maybe it's even like a one of three. So keeping all that information in mind, let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like it could be over, which like I said, I'm not really sure if that makes sense because we don't have any news today. It is Monday and we have a lot of news coming out this week, especially on Tuesday, Wednesday. So, I mean, it does look like a wave A. It does look like 3 waves up for a wave B. It looks like a complete downtrend for a wave C. We definitely didn't have a Fibonacci bounce, but boy, it definitely did break structure to the upside. We're going to have to keep a close eye on this. I mean, this move up could be a correction and it could definitely go down. It seems like it's more likely that it would go down. So, I mean, especially with all the news we got coming out, it seems more likely like it is going to end up going down, touching one of these Fibonacci levels, like the 61.8 or the 78.6, before we have that big news event on Wednesday, which hopefully will cause this to continue the uptrend. So, going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, the reason why I say that it could be going up because this is definitely a downtrend right here. And if this really is a wave C, which it looks like it is on the higher time frames, then we do have a break of structure. If we do have a break of structure, this could be a 1, this could be 3 waves down for a 2, and it could be just keep on going up for a big old wave 3. Now, we have to be a little bit careful because if this does go up like this and then make a big impulsive turn, then that is definitely not the shape of a wave 3, that is definitely the shape of an ABC. So, I mean, it could be an A or a 1, it could be a B or a 2, it could be a C or a 3. If it really is a 3, then you will not see this picture right here. You will not see an impulsive engulfing move to the downside with a break of structure. Instead, you'll just see it making higher highs, higher lows. And if you see it continue to make that series of high, low, then you really should just continue to go long at the end of every single pullback that you see, especially on even shorter time frames than this. So definitely be cautious. It could be a wave C, but if you don't see this picture, then most likely it is a wave 3, and just keep on looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to take a look at my new website, linked at the bottom of this video over here. So as always, thanks and happy trading.